It's a little chilly outside today. What's up, guys? Dave the Phone Guy here, back with another video. Today, I have the new Amazon Echo Frames. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pop the box open, tell you what I think, show you what's inside. So, pop, 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 pop. Let's get into the video. So inside the box, it says that it has one pair of Echo Frames with non-corrective lenses, carrying case, cleaning cloth, power adapter, and a charging cable. What's needed, a compatible smartphone with Wi-Fi, mobile data connection, and Bluetooth. Now, from what I've read, these are not compatible with iOS. They'll only work on Android as of now. So let's see what we got. I need something to cut the box open with. So these were announced a few months ago. Let's see, are you ready? Are you ready? So by invitation, it says on the box here. Let's see, so the first thing we see are the glasses. Let's try them on, they feel really light. They almost feel as light as my frames here. Let's see. Bang, what do you think? I can't see anything. So you tell me. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. On the bottom here, we have magnet charge, got some buttons. They just lit up. You can see right here, there's a light. I'm sure that's the indicator saying that they're ready to pair up. Oh, they're talking to me. It said, follow the instructions in the Alexa app. We're gonna put those to the side. Let's see what's in the rest of the box here. So follow these 3 steps to get started. I'm probably gonna look at this time around. Normally I toss these to the side, and this is what you take to the optician. Tells them how to get your glasses set up. Then you got your user guide. Back to that. Now this is heavy, so this must be the charging case. This out, put it to the side, and there's nothing left in here. So let's just put that to the side. Looks like we got a cleaning cloth. You have your charging AC adapter and your USB cable. Plugs in just like that. It's got the nice magnet. I like that magnet a lot. I wish they would put that on phones. That would make things a little bit easier. Use the USB-C port and then have the magnet charge adapter right on that. That'd be pretty dope. So first thing I want to do is clean these lenses a little bit. They are a little dusty. So what it says here is follow these instructions to get started. Fully charge the Echo Frames. I'm not gonna do that. Download the Amazon Alexa app. I already have that because I own an Alexa. And then it has the rest of the instructions here. Open the Alexa app. Tap the menu icon, tap add device, tap Amazon Echo, and then tap Echo Frames. So let's do that. Opening my Amazon Alexa app here, add device, add Amazon Echo, and then we're looking for Echo Frames. Echo Frames. So we are now connecting, pair and connect. All right, that was easy. We're connected. Good stuff. All right. So to increase the volume, press the front button. To decrease the volume, press the back button. Oh yeah, works pretty easy. Here, I'll play it for you guys.
Now you're ready to go. Welcome to Echo Frames. Now that your frames are paired, let's learn a little bit about them.
So there's a touchpad here, and what it's telling me, guys, is you swipe forward or backwards to answer a call. So to turn the mic and notifications off, you're gonna hit the action button, which is the button up front, volume's in the back. So you hit it twice and it turns mic and notification off. You do it again and it turns it on. How to hear phone notifications with VIP filters. Let's check it out, let's watch the video. So you can set in the app what it's saying. You can select which apps you hear the notifications from, so you can filter out all the apps you don't want to hear from. Pretty standard stuff. So now it's asking me if I want to enable VIP filter. Let's do it. Again, I don't have my glasses on, it's hard to see. Allow notification access. Yeah, so I gotta find, I think that's it. All right, finish setup. Allow, allow, allow. We're turning everything on. Let's create a voice profile. That's gonna be the next step. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, play music. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, add milk to the shopping list. Let me put my other glasses on so I could read the rest of this. All right, your voice profile enables Alexa personalize your experience. Voice profile, we set that up. Alexa recognizes speakers. All right, so I'm fully set up. Let's see what happens. Alexa, what's the weather for tomorrow? Alexa, what's the weather for tomorrow? Gonna be a little bit warmer tomorrow. Here, I'm gonna play it for you guys so you can hear this time. Turn the volume up. Alexa. Alexa. It's not picking me up very good. Alexa. 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 What's the weather like tomorrow? It's not working, boys. Alexa. 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 Well, I wonder. Alexa. All right, so the battery's not dead. It just said it's at 40%. I just restarted the Echo Frames. Let's see if that works better. So I'm gonna ask it again. Alexa, what will the weather be like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Coconut Creek, you'll see lots of sun and can expect a high of 71 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 49 degrees.
There you go. What else can we ask? Let's try, let me send a text to myself. All right, so basically I just sent a text from my Google Voice number to my personal number, and it came up, it asked me if I wanted to hear the message to swipe. So that's what I did, and it read the message to me. All right guys, so I'm gonna have to mess with these a little bit more, let you know what I think, how I feel about them. My initial impressions is they're okay. They're not as stylish as I like, but they seem comfortable. I need to get some real lenses in here so that way I can do a thorough test, but my initial impressions are okay. Yeah, I guess. I don't know if it's something that I would use. I don't know if it's something you should use. It seems to be very basic in its functionality and what it can do. I know this was kind of a limited thing that Amazon was trying to get some user feedback to make future products with that feedback. So yeah, it's okay. Like I said, frames look all right. They're not too bad. The sides are kind of thick compared to regular glasses, but they felt comfortable overall. They had a nice weight to them. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna give them a whirl. I'm gonna get some lenses put in it, and I will report back. That's it, guys. That's what I got. This was an unboxing of the new Amazon Echo Frames. Thumbs up if you liked it or I helped you in any way. If you haven't already, you know what you gotta do. Subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll get notified of my next video.